Hey guys, here is your last comprehension check for the year. So this is comprehension check 12 for Friday, May 22nd. We'll go ahead and read it and then we'll go over the questions. Edmund's dad, George, is a mail carrier. George enjoys his job for many reasons. He likes being able to walk many miles each day. The exercise makes him feel good. George also enjoys talking to different people on his delivery route. George likes making new friends. George's job can also be hard. For example, if the weather is rainy, snowy, or windy, George still needs to deliver the mail. Mail carriers can also get chased or even bitten by dogs. Being a mail carrier is a dangerous job, okay? And that's one of those jobs that we still have people out there doing right now, even with everything that's going on. So, okay, our questions. If you've got your crayons, you can use those. What does Edmund's dad do? If you have a red crayon, or you can just underline it, find it, and then write the answer over here. What is one reason George enjoys his job? So orange. You can find the information and write it. What is one way George's job can be hard? Okay, now it talked about a couple of ways, but you can, with your yellow crayon, find one or two things over there and then write it over here. Why do you think dogs bark at and bite mail carriers? Okay, so there's not necessarily a right or a wrong answer, but I want you to think about it. Why might a dog bark or bite a mail carrier? Okay, and would you like to be a mail carrier? Why or why not? So these two do not have necessarily a right or a wrong answer. It's just kind of what you think, okay? So I'm going to have you go ahead, pause the video to do your work, and when you come back, we'll go over the answers. Okay, guys, so we're going to go ahead and real quick go over the answers. So the first question was, what does Edmund's dad do? Well, in red, it said Edmund's dad, George, is a mail carrier. Okay, so I went ahead and wrote that over here. Edmund's dad is a mail carrier. Okay, the next question is, what is one reason George enjoys his job? So it said George enjoys his job for many reasons. So I picked the reason that he likes being able to walk many miles each day. So that's what I did. There was also, he likes the exercise and he likes making new friends. So if you chose one of those, that would also be a good choice, okay? What is one way George's job can be hard? So over here, I said if the weather is rainy or snowy, he still needs to deliver the mail. So I said the weather can be bad, but he still has to deliver the mail, okay? And then it also talked about the dogs too, so that would be another reason. So it says, why do you think dogs bark and might bite mail carriers? So I said they might bark to warn families that a person is there. So kind of as protection, right? They're trying to protect the families. So same thing with biting. And then, would you like to be a mail? And again, your answer might be different, okay? Would you like to be a mail carrier? Why or why not? And I said I would not want to be a mail carrier because I would be cold in the winter. You guys hear me talk all the time about how I don't like being cold. So, but they are very important and they do a very important job. So we need to make sure that we show our appreciation to them. So here are the answers for comprehension check number 12. Good job, everyone.